Picture windows are one of the most stunning upgrades Kendall homeowners can add to their spaces. With their expansive glass, unobstructed views, and modern aesthetic, they bring in abundant natural light and make any room feel more spacious and inviting. But because picture windows are large, fixed, and built to create a weather-tight seal, how they're installed plays a major role in how long they last and how well they perform. While some homeowners consider DIY window installation to save money, picture windows require precision, expertise, and specialized tools. Professional installation ensures your investment performs optimally and stays beautiful for decades, especially in a warm, humid climate like Kendall's. Here's how expert installation extends the lifespan and long-term value of picture windows. Perfect frame fit prevents stress and premature wear. Picture windows don't open, so their entire function depends on a tight, secure, and perfectly level fit. Even slight misalignment during installation can cause stress on the glass frame, warping, seal failure, cracking. Over time, professional installers take precise measurements, ensuring the window fits the opening exactly. This prevents unnecessary pressure on the frame and glass and allows the window to sit securely without shifting, leading to a much longer lifespan. Proper sealing protects against Kendall's moisture and humidity. South Florida's climate is known for high humidity, afternoon storms, and hurricane season moisture. Poorly sealed picture windows can quickly develop leaks, condensation issues, or mold around the frame, each of which significantly reduces lifespan. Professional installation includes water-resistant flashing, correct sealing and caulking techniques that create a moisture-tight barrier, proper drainage paths to move water away. This protects your home from water intrusion and prevents long-term damage to the frame, wall, and insulation. Improved insulation for maximum energy efficiency. Picture windows are prized for their ability to brighten a room, but without proper insulation, they can also allow heat to enter during Kendall's hot months. When professionally installed, the space around the window is properly insulated using high-quality materials designed to reduce heat transfer. This ensures a tighter thermal seal, lower cooling costs, reduced strain on your HVAC system, protection for the window frame against temperature changes. With effective insulation, your picture windows maintain their integrity much longer while helping keep your home more comfortable. Prevention of air leaks that shorten window lifespan. Air infiltration is one of the biggest enemies of window performance. Even the smallest gaps can let hot, humid air enter and cool air escape. Over time, this increases condensation, encourages mold growth, and weakens the seals. Professional installers eliminate these issues by ensuring airtight fit using appropriate sealants for Florida's climate, verifying no gaps remain around the frame, conducting final tests for air movement. This protects both your windows and your home from unnecessary wear and tear. Secure mounting supports large, heavy glass panels. Picture windows are heavier than other window styles due to their large, single glass pane. Improper mounting can lead to sagging, frame separation, or even structural failure. A professional installation team reinforces the window opening, if needed, secures the frame with the correct fasteners, ensures even weight distribution, installs the window to withstand Florida's wind loads. This stability is essential for a long-lasting picture window, especially in a region prone to strong winds. Protection of manufacturer warranties. Most picture window manufacturers require professional installation to keep warranties valid. De-installation or improper installation by an inexperienced contractor can void coverage. Professional installation ensures full warranty protection, compliance with manufacturer specifications, long-term coverage for frame, glass, and seal performance. This gives Kendall homeowners peace of mind knowing their investment is protected for years. Final thoughts. Picture windows are a beautiful addition to any Kendall home, but their lifespan and performance depend heavily on how well they're installed. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit, superior sealing, strong structural support, and better energy efficiency, all crucial for Florida's hot, humid climate. By choosing expert installation, you protect your investment, enjoy clearer views, and extend the life of your picture windows for decades to come.